Value education, be valued live sporty. Welcome to Reference Frame, a lighthouse of mathematics.
Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's tutorial of Reference Frame. Hope all of you are doing well by the grace of Almighty Allah during this lockdown situation while you stay at home, and hope all of your family members are doing well by the grace of Almighty Allah. So kids, today I'm here with algebraic problems. Specifically, if I want to say, the specific topic is going to be algebraic formulae. I got a lot of requests that you're facing problems with algebraic formulae. That's while you're going to solve problem related to algebraic formulae, then you just being confused that how to apply the algebraic formulae and when to apply which formulae. So I'm here today to discuss about those kind of thing, that how to apply the algebraic formulae more smartly and when to apply it. Okay, so here we just need to keep one thing in our mind, that we just need to focus on the destination. Destination means that we're asked to find and our given value. That means that we are given, based on that, based on which information we need to reach into our destination. Okay, so please don't be panic. So in our these sequences, this is a consequences of several lectures or several tutorials. In our these consequences, inshallah, we're gonna discuss about algebraic formulae of order 2. Algebraic formulae of order 2. We're gonna discuss about the algebraic formulae of order 3 in some other tutorials after finishing the consequences of algebraic formulae of order 2. Okay, so please be with me till the end to get or to be benefited. I hope, inshallah, if you will be with me till the end, all of you will be benefited by the grace of Almighty Allah. Okay, so let's move to start. Now we are moving into more advanced level. Okay, so let us see look at the question. Here, look, p to the power 4 minus 7p square plus 1 is equals to 0. The same given information. So just like the previous one that I told you, here all you need to do, you need to find out the value of either p plus 1 over p or p minus 1 over p. But which one? Just look, for this kind of problem, just look, what is the index here? Here the index is 4. For p, the index is 4. And on the very second term, the index is going to be half. And the last term, the index going to be vanish, disappear. So for this kind of problem, that I need to do, look, just look at the indices. The maximum indices, and then half of the indices, and then indices vanish. That means maximum index, half of the index, and then index vanish. Whenever you're going to face this kind of problem, this is going to be p to the power 8, 7 p to the power 4, 4 is half of 8, plus 1 or minus 1, that doesn't matter. Whenever you're going to face this kind of problem, here the most important part is just to have a look at here. What is it? Plus 1. Because based on this value, we're gonna articulate, our math gonna be solved. This sign is very important. The sign before 1. The sign before 1 is the most important clue here, or the most important term here. Okay, so look, whenever you're gonna have something like this, what is highest indices or highest index, and then half of the index, and then plus 1 or minus 1. Then in this case, we need to do, look, what is it? Plus 1. Whenever we're going to have plus 1, then we'll find the value of p plus 1 over p, or a plus 1 over a, whatever it is. That means we'll find the value of a plus 1 over a, or p plus 1 over p there. Okay, so there we are. Here p square plus 1 over p square. So we apply this value, p plus 1 over p. So okay, we found, and this is going to be what? This is going to be p plus 1 over p whole square minus 2 into p into 1 over p. The procedure that I solved earlier. Okay, and we found the value of p square plus 1 over p square, which is what? Which was, I guess, 7. Okay, so look, we found this value earlier. Okay, p square plus 1 over p square, which is 7. So look here, after that point, because we know this value is 7, we found it. So we do the same procedure that we followed earlier. Now, from this part, we need to be careful. Okay, we solve this problem after this part. in our previous problem. Now from this part, what do you need to do? We need what? P to the power 4. P to the power 4. So look, if we take LCM on the left hand side, what is gonna be? P square is LCM because below this P square, we have only 1 as denominator. So the LCM of 1 and P square, which is P square. So here P square. So if we multiply P square with P square, we're gonna get the result P to the power 4 and plus 1 as it is equals to 7. Now all we need to do cross multiplication. Okay, there we are. If we're gonna go to cross multiplication, what are you gonna get? So look, for cross multiplication, P to the power 4 plus 1, that will be same as it is on the left hand side, and P square, that will be multiplied with 7. It's gonna be 7P square. Now we need to move, what is our requirement on the right hand side? 0. So we'll move 7P square. Look, we'll move 7P square 1 to the left hand side. So look, the sign B for the 7P square on the right hand side is plus. No sign means this is plus. So when you're gonna shift it until the left hand side, the sign gonna be minus. There, as you can see on the red line, therefore P to the power 4 minus 7P square. Since after shifting this, the sign gonna be minus, plus 1 is equals to 0. Look at the destination that we are asked to find. Okay, this is problem number D. Now we'll move into problem number E. When you're gonna move into problem number E, then problem number D will be more easier, or that will appear more easier to you, I do believe, inshallah. Okay, so let us move. Okay, look at this time. This time what you're asked to find? P square minus 1 over P square. Okay, this is as simple as that. We know the value of P plus 1 over P, and we know the value of P minus 1 over P from A and B respectively. From A, P plus 1 over P is equals to 3, and from B, P minus 1 over P is equals to root over 5. So since we're asked to find the value of A, P square minus 1 over P square, so look, the formula we can apply A square minus B square, and by applying the formula we can write P plus 1 over P into P minus 1 over P, just like A square minus B square is equals to A plus B into A minus B. So here we just need to put down the value of P plus 1 over P, which is 3. As you can see here, we obtained it from A, and the value of P minus 1 over P, which is root over 5. Okay, just putting down the value, what are you gonna get? The value of P square minus 1 over P square is equals to root over 3 root over 5. Okay, so moving to our next problem. This is quite easy. So look, this time we need to find the value of P to the power 4 minus 3 root over 5 P square minus 1. So look here again, highest index, half of the index, highest index 4, half of the index 2, index vanishes. And now look, that I mentioned earlier, here the sign is very important. Sign before 1 is very, very important. And what is the sign? Minus. Since the sign before 1 is minus, therefore we will start our problem by using P square minus 1 by P square. P square minus 1 by P square, as you can see here. P square minus 1 over P square, and with the value of this one, well, as we have found it earlier in our previous problem E. Okay, as you can see here, its value is 3 root over 5. So after doing that part, look, P square minus 1 over P square, which is 3 root over 5. Now what are you gonna do? We'll take LCM on the left hand side. So whenever we're gonna take LCM on the left hand side, look here, 1 by P square, right? 1 by P square. So below it, the denominator is 1. And here the denominator is P square. So the LCM of P square and 1 is gonna be definitely P square, just like the previous problem. So by taking LCM, we're gonna get P to the power 4 minus 1 by P square is equals to 3 root over 5. Now just like the previous problem, we do the cross multiplication. So on the left hand side, we're gonna have P square minus 1, as you can see here with the green color, and on the right hand side, P square is gonna be shifted here, so it's gonna be 3 root over 5 into P square. So look at the destination, we need 0 on the right hand side, so we'll move this part onto the left hand side. So moving, the sign is plus here, so there's gonna be minus, just like the previous problem. So by shifting this, we're gonna get P to the power 4 minus 3 root over P square minus 1 is equals to 0. Just look at the destination, the same thing that we were asked to find. Okay, so this is the tutorial for today. But look, what have we done? We just have relate the one relation or the given information with the destination. Okay, just we need to focus on the destination and just need to relate between the given information with the destination. So as on the very beginning of today's tutorial, I told you that this is a consequences. This is the consequences of problem. So look, today we've solved up to f based on the same problem, that means p square minus 3p plus 1 is equals to 0. We're going to solve some more problems, maybe up to another 6 or 5 or 6 problem based on the same problem, same information. If we are able to solve it, then that will be beneficial for you, because then you will be able to know that how to use the same value, same information for solving different kind of problem. Okay, so please do practice for this kind of problem again and again to before the uploadation of new tutorial. Okay, so kids, hope you enjoyed today's tutorial, and I'm very much hopeful that this will be helpful for you to solve algebraic problem regarding to algebraic formulae of order 2. So all you need to do while you stay at home, you just solve some problem related to the problem that is solved in today's tutorial. Okay, because the more you practice, the more you will be adroit. Adroit means the more you will be capable that when to apply algebraic formula for which problem. Okay, and how to apply it more smartly, and how to solve any algebraic problem by applying algebraic formulae of order 2 more easily. Okay, without agonizing pain. Okay, so inshallah we'll see you in the next tutorial with some other problems and some other algebraic problems regarding to algebraic formulae of order 2. Till then, please stay safe, stay home, stay sound, and please keep me in your praying. May Allah bless all of us, and may Allah forgive us to overcome this hard luck situation of COVID-19 pandemic outbreak. Okay, all of you, please be blessed by Almighty Allah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Share your idea to build a happy Bangladesh.